guys, how are you all? Today I'm going to unbox the trolley speaker, and this from the company Moukey. It looks like a monkey, but it's not a monkey, it's Moukey. So I'm going to open the box. This is my little girl and she will help me to open the box, okay? So I'm going to start to open. Yeah, while opening. Wow!
What?
Oh, it's a big machine. Oh, little, can you help me? To maybe there is a way to open. I think you have to do like this, okay? And oh, thank you. Okay. So.
Look.
Okay.
It's a ring.
There is a many.
Hello.
Okay, guys. There is the machine. Wow, it's big, yeah. Look,
Moukey.
the black monkey. Okay. Oh, this is the carrier. And look over there. There's many function over here. Okay. Oh, there is a remote control. Okay, and the cable that can join from speaker to the electronic devices. Okay. Well, guys, I opened the box and here is a speaker. Inside the book there is DC adapter. I've ordered two mic set. So when you open the mic, there is no battery, so you have to buy the battery separately. Okay, and there is remote control. And this is iPad holder. So this is iPad holder. So you can sit like this, okay? And okay, so this is the way, and maybe you can. Okay, after set up this iPad holder, so this can be used, so you can hold your iPad, and this speaker is work with Bluetooth. So when any song you like to hear from your iPad, you can connect with this. And this is the mic. Now let's check the sound of this speaker. This is power on. Okay. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm
Oh, it
fine.
sounds good.
Hello. 今日はみんなに歌のやつを紹介します。これはとても大きいので、ぜひみんなも使いたかったら買ってみてください。以上です。
Thank you. Okay, guys, the speaker sounds good and the sound is also clear. So I'm planning to use this speaker as a home karaoke. Let's meet in next video. Thank you for watching.
ありがとうございます。またね。